and today's video will be at
Here we are at Star Lane level crossing in Berkshire with Delta Australia. And across. Now that's the train just there. I don't know why it's so close. But the time is 15:03 on Tuesday the 28th December 2021. And this is your slightly delayed (13:50) hold on, 13:50, 14:56 to Charlie 39 South Western Railway System, London Waterloo to Reading, 458510. 458536. Alright, sorry about the late start, I wasn't expecting that. We're at Star Lane level crossing in Wokingham, time's 15:21. And this will be the... Actually, I'm going to refresh the page because I honestly don't know. Because this train is way too early. Ah yes, actually it's one coming from the other direction, which makes sense. So... I'm assuming it will be the one from Waterloo first. So this is presumably the 14:20. 14:20, 15:26 to Charlie 41 South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Reading. And if we go up after this one, the next one will be coming from that way as well. But that depends if we stay down. But just in case we stay down, there we go. Yeah, Waterloo's just gone down now, as you can see in the distance. Waterloo's the closed off crossing, and they're going to be closing completely. Just in case we stay down for the other one will be the 15:12, 15:25 to Charlie 48 from Reading to Waterloo. But this is the one we're focusing on now. (458,520) to Reading. And we do go up. Barriers here down at the same time as the station one. Yep. Here we are at Star Lane level crossing in Berkshire with Delta Australia. There we go, now the time now is 15:26 on Tuesday the 28th December 2021. And this is your 15:12, 15:25 to Charlie 48 South Western Railway service from Reading to London Waterloo. This crossing is actually quite unusual in terms of barriers. I didn't mention this in last closure, but this barrier, that barrier there, and that one over there are all Smith's Industries from 1997, but that one on that side is an SPX from 2017. We were discussing it might have been hit by something, but I've not found any record of that. It also appears that that barrier is backwards. If you look at the black parts under the lights, that one looks like it's backwards. But I've not looked on that side to have a look. Like the mountings for the lights look like they're not on that side. I know I've already mentioned it, but at that green signal is the Waterloo crossing, which next year won't exist anymore. They must probably put us down a bit earlier than they should have, because the train had just stopped at Wokingham station when we were put down. So I think most probably it was just a precaution before that. They probably put the station crossing down as well at the same time, but probably first. But to be honest, they don't need to until the train's actually departed. We have 458523 and 458533.